What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kelly Builds. Here I am building a BMW 2002. It's another chilly day here in Connecticut, but weather doesn't matter. You still have to get things done. So if you had seen before, I got new floor pans from Blunt Tech, and today I'm going to be cutting out the floors so I can get tacking these in. Frozen.
We're gonna have to do the window seal.
Yeah, the window's really struggling over here.
Leaky.
Yeah.
You know,
leaky,
cold
leaky.
when you get ice in your floors.
Yeah. But we have this right here, which is great to replace it with. So we will just take these pans out and get going. Rough.
Yeah, familiar sight.
Alright, so moderate change to the plan today. We're gonna try to do a little bit more, but both kids woke up from their naps a bit early. So kind of put a limit on what I can actually get done here. So with the time I have, I'm going to just take off, take off these brackets, the seat brackets. Also, I took my rings off, people. So yeah, I'm trying to be safer here. So I'm gonna take all these spot welds off, and it will just be, I need to take this off at some point too. But things just take time. I've had a comment that says I take forever on stuff and it would like drive them crazy or something like that, but I don't know who can build a car super efficiently with 2 kids and limited funds. So anyway, we'll get into that. What I'm doing wrong here. That one on the corner was the first one I was working on.
Do it like this. You can push a little bit, but if you push too hard, you'll break the wheel. You don't want to be like,
I wasn't pushing hard. I felt like it was a good.
Okay.
That did not feel accurate to me.
Yeah, because it's the way this is spinning.
So just go this way?
Yeah, go this way.
That didn't feel natural to me, is the problem. I think I did do that one. So we are having trouble with the BMW, and it's 30 degrees. We have a roadster.
Roadster weather.
Roadster weather. It's not roadster weather, but the kids want to go for a drive, so. Freezing. Would you do this? Would you try to do this? So if you watched the previous video, I purchased 2 more 2002s. I have this green one with us now, and then the other one is actually coming on Monday. It was going to come today, Friday, but whatever. We're in no rush for it, so yeah, just working with the green one for now. So with this green one today, I'm just gonna kind of go through it and rip apart things that I need for my build, and then kind of see what else we have working with. Probably like list some stuff if I need to, or if you see anything that you're interested in, a bunch of like random stuff, just message me, probably on Instagram is the easiest, or like send a comment here or whatever. So we're just gonna get into it, and I'll show you guys a little rip apart. Like, I'm not gonna use this car like I had said. I can't even imagine what it looks like under there. I'm absolutely terrified of how much mouse poop is lingering, but that's fine. It's crazy. My car just looks so much nicer now, so we'll just get into it.
Hey, they took the trim off at least.
Yeah.
Where'd you put the big screwdriver?
They also didn't paint this.
Thank you. Where's all the other tools?
Not many.
How'd you get this off? Just, oh, here it is. I feel like that's breaking. Where'd you put all this stuff?
That we're using to it here.
We're not using this.
No, that's shitty. Oh no.
What?
Damn it.
What?
There's a little grommet that fell. Yeah, why don't you grab this glass? It pulls out that way.
Just gonna
Hold it because it's gonna fall. Yep.
Will there be a mouse in there? I hope not. So that is the first little chunk that we're gonna do here. It's super cold. This will probably be the first part, but yeah. We got the glass out. Lots of help from Travis and Jacob because, you know. But yeah. Parts car.